Okay, welcome to day 2 of FAL Time-Distance Graphs. So again, we have the same objective as yesterday, is that you'll be able to use context to match stories to graphs comparing time and distance. Okay, so let's talk about this. So yesterday you matched your graphs to stories. Today you are going to be adding a table to each of your sets. So remember, you're supposed to leave space around them. So let's talk about how we can decide how to fill in a table, because some of the tables are filled in and some are not. So the way I do it, I'm going to start out by looking at where I'm at 0 time. So at time 0, I can tell that I'm 0 distance from home, and at time 10, I'm at 0 distance from home. So I'm going to write the zeros in for both of those. Then I'm going to go to the farthest point from home. In that case, that's 6. I'm going to decide on how far I am from at 6. So let's say I decide at 6 I am 100 meters, whatever. So 6 on 100, I'm going to put the 100 there. Now I need to figure out where the rest of these are. Well, to find 8, this is all one line, and I get from 100 to 10 in the time, so I'm going to be halfway. So halfway between 0 and 100 gives me 50. That one's easy enough. But then I come over to 2 and 4. Well, 2 is definitely more than 50, because I can see it's higher than this point here. We said that point was 50, this point is 100. So I need to decide what that point is. I'd say that point is maybe, let's call it 70. Oops. That's at 2, not at 4. So if I call that point 70, then halfway between 70 and 100, because this is, again, a continuous line, is 85. So that's all you're going to do. You're going to make sure you know the zeros are very obviously where they're at. Then your other points need to make sense with the points that you already have. You're going to put these tables with each graph and story. Make sure everything is annotated. And if you have any questions, I'll see you in class.